The Stylecraft REBEL is in our hands. And it's pretty cool. It's lightweight. It's lighter than the Magic Clip, that oh so popular wall magic clip. More powerful than the Senior. We have to give a nod to Wall though. This is just design taken directly from Wall. The cam follower is almost identical to the Wall cam follower. The setup on this machine is just, it's a Wall by another name. The cam follower doesn't fit exactly, but they're so close. I don't think you could put a Wall blade on this. Maybe you can. We haven't tried that yet. But we dropped a Wall cam follower in here to see if it would work the same, and it wasn't quite the same. It was quite a bit louder. The blade, the cutting blade, was I think a little bit too tight in the cam follower. But this does come with a whole lot of extra. We've got the USB charging option. Comes with a stand. Comes with double magnetic guards, a half, a 1.5, and then 1 through 6. It doesn't seem as though a lot of the companies are offering the 7 and 8 anymore. I guess they figure you're going to work with your scissors once you get to that kind of length. But you've got the half, 1.5, 1 through 6 double magnetic guards. They're decent guards. They're a little bit flimsy, but they're decent. You also get a stretch bracket with this guy, which allows you to open the lever a little bit further when you put the stretch bracket on. So you'll have a little bit more range on your blade. It comes with a click lever. This is a preference thing. Some barbers love that click lever. Some would rather it be a free flow. You have the option. Take the lever off, take the little spring and the little metal peg in there out, and watch it, that spring is going to come popping out of there. You don't want to lose it. But once you take that out, then you'll have a free flowing lever. It's not going to catch those little indentations there. They also call this a detent lever. I think that maybe has something to do with indentations. Comes with a USB charging cable as well. 3-hour runtime, which is getting pretty close to that JRL 4-hour runtime. It doesn't appear to have a low battery indicator. Maybe it does. Not sure on that one. Have to do a little more research. It's a beauty as far as accessories, as far as power, as far as lightweight and comfort. But again, a nod to Wall. Oh, the one other thing, comes with a fusion blade. The fusion blade is pretty darn thin. It's a fade blade. Probably call it a fusion because it's a cross between a fade and a taper. There is a fade blade, fixed blade that we have as well. This is the fixed blade that comes on the Ergo. This thing is wafer thin. So if you prefer to have that really, really tight fade blade, you can pick up this fixed blade and swap the fusion blade for this tight fade blade. Got so many options with this machine. This is going to be a winner for sure. It's going to be very popular. We're going to open it up and take a look inside in another video, and we'll see what it looks like. It appears as though it's going to be very similar to a Wall, which is good, easy to work on, as long as we can get some parts. Stylecraft is pretty good with modifications and such, so we'll likely be able to get some parts from them if we need to do some repairs. Oh, also, one last thing, as if that wasn't enough, you have options on your faceplates as well. So if this strong royal blue is too much for you, you can put the matte black on, or if you want to really make it spark, you can put that pink cover on. So there you go, the REBEL.